Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I set up my whole living room to do a maternity photo shoot because I just could not afford the prices that were out there professionally. Oh yes, them said don't put it at where and can reach it. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the February is my birthday, and I want to take some maternity photos for my birthday. I try to get I look into like a package for maternity photos, and I'm telling you, people, the prices were like up there. Like the lowest was like $400, and one guy told me $700. I'm like, hell no, I don't have may not have them kind of money there. Okay, so what I've decided to do is to just set up my living room. Yes, just set up a little area here, and decide to take the photos myself on my phone. I have a Samsung S24 Ultra. So yeah, this, and I use my phone to do my videos and everything, and they look good. The quality is good to me, at least. So I decide that's what I'm going to do. Okay, guys. So on Amazon, I bought this one. Um, well, we're gonna make this one, and I bought myself some background. Yeah, so guys, these backgrounds are like $15 on Amazon, which is like right there in my budget. So I decided to get two of them just to try cover the wall as best as I possibly could. Um what the only thing that think that is like missing, I don't know what it's called, but like one of those irons that you can just press iron things out while it's hanging. That's all I needed for this backdrop. And I also bought this light. The light was a little bit expensive. It was like $75, but I do a lot of videos and I do a lot of pictures, so I thought this was like worth buying. So it's just a light that helps with the quality of the picture. So it was very easy to put together. As you see, it come with a stand and it's adjustable. And it comes with the bulb and everything, and like just this little screen that I put over the face of it. And yeah, that's it. The light was ready to go. Bing. The other little thing with this home setup is that my one little carpet wasn't big enough. I think I needed two of these carpets, but I had this carpet before. I didn't buy this one for this one. And I bought these boxes that you have to put together to um for the decoration for the baby. And I'm telling you guys, it wasn't easy. These boxes were really hard to put together, more than I anticipated. Like, so hard. I was sweating to put these boxes together. I don't know why, but the bottom was a little bit difficult. I hope Amazon don't ask me for a review because it won't be good. Or, some DIY is just not for everybody. Woo! I just put some tape, right? Am I doing it right?
Nope.
Okay, guys, so I'm getting dressed, just fixing up my eyebrows and stuff like that. My first idea for the picture is all black. At first, I didn't know how this was going to look or come out. You know, Jamaican people just think a black of a funeral and thing. So I was just like, I saw somebody did black on the internet and it looked good, and I was like, maybe it will work for me. I don't know, but make we try and see, you know. So these are how the photos came out, guys.
Hey, hey, push over her head though. Push over. Hey, yo.
Okay, guys, never mind my husband's silly side, but I changed into a second dress, which is pink, because you know it's baby girl, and so I'm going to be showing you guys now the second half of me in the pink dress. All right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lisa. Happy birthday to you. Auntie Lisa, are you 2? Are you 3? Are you 4?
Are you 30?
Are you
31?
7? Are you 8? Are you
It's right here.
10?
Okay.
Are you 11?
Okay, guys, it was a long day for me, but I wanted to celebrate my birthday with the kids. So what I did is to just get pizza and cake so that I could cut cake and celebrate with them. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.